happened over here. Oh, shit. This is just caution tape. But I saw the blue lights. See what that shit. I'm over here to prevent that dude from getting his ass kicked by a male and a police and a female police. Shit. Yeah. They let them loose because I was here. They didn't kick their ass. You notice how they switch sides? The female police officer looked like she was the assist, and the other guy pulled it over. I think the way that usually works is the one that's driving is the one that decides if they're gonna be pulling people over. That makes more sense. But maybe it's possible that he's the lead officer and he just didn't feel like driving. Damn. These tickets are $250 a pop, I heard, in Chicago. I don't get them. I rarely get the tickets. Most tickets I beat them. I beat my tickets. I rarely get them, and when I do, I beat them. But last I heard, some of these infractions, like $250, and those cops will just load you up with them. They make it sound like they're cutting you a deal if they stop at 4. And of course, some of that shit gets negotiated because the judges kind of know what's up. At least, especially the judges that don't like it themselves. But that's it. Quad state cameras. I saved another person. Look, he was able to take off from getting his ass beat. Quad state cameras, Chicago, was this May 2nd. It's after 6. It's a little chilly out. Take care. Cop with his lights on. What? Did they take some kid's bike? They took a bike. Let me see get to the bottom of this. They just took that dude's bike. One of the cops was riding the bike. I don't know what happened. I think one of them was riding a bike. And my Spanish is not that good. These might be migrants. So even if I did speak Spanish, their dialect of Spanish would probably be different. And when I say that my Spanish is not that good, I mean more to say it's virtually non-existent. I mean, I can get away with some stuff, but to sit there and hold a conversation, it's not going to happen. But I don't know what happened, so It looked like the cops were here. The lights were on. They had a bike, which is supposedly is illegal. I know they're illegal in Chicago. I haven't seen them really enforce that, pushing that, but I guess they started because I saw the cop ride away on the bike. Like they're gonna take it. Instead of having it towed away, they took it. I'm hoping they gave them a receipt for it, which they are supposed to do. Anytime they take shit from you, it doesn't matter what it is, they're supposed to give you a receipt. And you're supposed to have the opportunity to get it back. Even when they claim they're doing you a favor, they're taking away like a knife or some shit. But Chicago's bad about that shit too. You can barely walk around with a box cutter. That's what it is. Now, I walk around with a camera everywhere I go. So I don't get hit like a lot of people get hit. And I have a backup. I have people I can call. I got Mrs. cameras. If I were to get arrested, which some of these cops do, because they get stupid, you know, the thing you can beat the charge, you can't beat the ride. They're just gonna fuck with you. I'll take that fucking bet. I'll go to sit in jail for a few hours, for a few days. I don't care. I'm lucky that my job cares too. My job doesn't care, I should say. My job would see something like that, and they would probably consider it that I'm doing something good because they kind of know what's up too. I work for a bank, and they got some of that liberal mindset, which is not necessarily a bad thing. Sometimes it is, but in their case, I don't think they get stupid about arrest unless you did something crazy. Yeah, that's it. Watch the cameras. Reporting for duty. I am out. Permanently this time, I think. Unless something else happens. Take care, guys. Uh-oh. 1, 2, 3. 3 cops? That's a civilian. You guys got a third one today. I'll put these all together. Let me see why.